the square body, taking her out for a good old weekend joyride, you know. We're gonna go acquire some supplies to treat the old girl to just a good old birthday present. Her birthday is coming up, you know, we want to do something nice for her. So yeah, wait and see. We'll be there soon.
Shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot.
Hey, turn that off. Turn that off, bud. Alright, boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have amazing hood. Shut up. Shut up.
One of Bert's 5 fans is gonna find me.
Yeah, coming in hot. Just like the fajita. I write what I live. My life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow. Just like the demeanor.
Me and my monster song. What the hell is that officer doing here? We should pull this thing out of the snow.
What? There's no help this.
There's no help.
Alright.
He looked. You just have a whole workshop and a minivan, but all the tools you need.
Well, my sawzall is fucking missing.
Well,
Dude, yes!
oh, he's got it. He's got it.
Yes!
Oh. That's my fucking chair.
No, it's my chair.
Carbon fiber.
Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some interesting shit going down with the C20 that includes this bed stackage material that we have here.
Bed stackage.
So,
Shut up.
Hank, get out here and put this pipe back together, you broke it. Hold on. Alright, where's the exhaust go? Oh, there's a clamp there. Let me get under here real quick. Whoa, turn the key off. What are you doing?
I was playing some music. I swear to God, he hits my truck.
Oh,
That would have been me in that chair.
alright, there we go. Now we're in a better spot here. Where's the sawzall? Oh, threw it back here. Oh! Dude, this thing is a muffler. This thing might sound mean.
That's gonna be dang. How did we never cut that off?
Oh, it's
I feel like that should have been the first thing you did.
it's held on with like a fucking screw. Oh, what the fuck? I'm gonna accidentally cut the brake lines.
You're pretty close.
Yeah, don't worry. That's just the e-brake. You don't need those.
It's a manual, so you might.
Okay, hold on, she's coming out. We're straight piping her, boys. You know, when her dad asks, like, what are you doing later? You just say, you know, straight piping her. Get off this fucking job site, would you? Hold on. Get a glove up here. How's this content? Fire.
This lady thinks it's fire. Yep. Foreman Bertram on the scene.
Where's this hanger? Oh, here it is. Easy job. You just take your sawzall, rev it up. Alright, she's good to go. Oh, dude, look at that. Didn't even go through. It just like came out on its own. Didn't even need to cut it.
That's the point of it here?
Oh, get up there.
Scrapyard.
Okay, is that it?
Let's play some baseball. Batter up, motherfucker.
Whew. Jesus Christ. Kid's a liability. I just accidentally cut the emergency brake cable. Safety first. Don't want to roll into that $50,000 truck right there. That'd be such a shame. So my insurance, I would have to call them up and it would just be an abomination.
Right on the license plate. How is this thing a V6?
I don't know. It's not. What? Alright, wow.
What the
I
fuck?
should have fucking done the old bed stack like 6 months ago. This thing is fucked.
Engines loved it. Your neighbor's probably like, oh, he finally did something. No, you need to get one like exactly the size. That way, when you shove it down, it's
When you shove it down, yeah. Do you shove it down a lot?
No.
Would you consider that a bad thing or a good thing?
I don't know. This is my first time shoving it down.
That's cool.
Alrighty.
Almost ready, boys. We're almost prepared. Just got off the phone. Got off the phone with the bank. Said they're coming for me. Wait, is he gonna look? Zoom in. He wants to. He wants to look. Don't worry, non-alcoholic beers. I'm trying to quit.
I'm trying to get on him.
What are you, gay?
What?
Hang the fucking truck.
Go get the drill.
You get the fucking drill.
No. Alright. Alright. Wait. We need to measure.
What are we doing?
No, that's too far.
There is fucking rust. Oh. In your eye?
Rust in the eye.
Oh.
It's not the first thing he's got in there. What you're talking about. You haven't seen this fucking... You haven't been around the block like I have, dude. You've not been around the block. You're not a foreman. One day you'll be a foreman.
I don't know if you're a foreman because they don't fucking make retards foremen.
I think you're an idiot.
I think that is the perfect spot.
No.
It is definitely the perfect
Did
spot.
you guys even check under?
Material.
Check underwear?
I don't know what's...
That's what I fucking said. I mean, I was the one checking under, and then Bert's like, I'm just gonna drill random holes in my fucking drill. Single fuck.
Just give it.
You gotta drill another hole next to it so you can get the sawzall down.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice. Nice. Huge.
Alright, Hank. We're almost there, boys. We're almost there. If this kid wasn't so dumb, we'd be like 3/4 of the way more, not the way there, you know?
I'm just trying to do it the right way, but... Is that tape like heat tape?
It's fucking duct tape. Actual duct tape. There we go, final
It's like
connection.
metal. It's like tin.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, it's for your ducts, like your heating system in your house, you know?
Yeah, so it's like heat tape.
It's duct tape. Like actual duct tape. Here we go, boys. Cheers to hard work and dedication.
This thing's like not. It's actually like being done. Like I can like feel it. It's actually smoking.